Welcome to Flavors and Fragrance recipes. So today is Nari Purnima and Raksha Bandhan, so I'm making Rava coconut ladoo in my kitchen. A very tasty yummy recipe, so let's begin. I have taken a pan and now to this I'm going to add half cup of homemade ghee. Let our ghee melt on slow flame, and then to this we are going to add some more ingredients. To this melted ghee I'm adding 1.5 cup of chiroti rava. It's a super fine rava, and I'm going to roast this rava in this ghee till it's light golden brown. So keep the flame on slow and roast it till it's light golden brown. It's been 10 minutes and my rava is looking like this. And to this I'm going to add half cup of my coconut. You can use desiccated coconut or fresh coconut also. And now we are going to mix this coconut in this rava and further roast it for 5 to 10 minutes on slow flame till it's nice, crispy and light golden brown. Now we are going to make our sugar syrup, that is our chutney. So for this I have taken 3/4 cup of water, and to this I am adding 1 1/4 cup of sugar. If you want, you can just put 1 cup of sugar. And now I'm going to mix this nicely on slow flame to medium flame, and I basically want to make a sugar syrup, that is our chutney. So let's just mix this properly and let the sugar melt, and then we will cook it till it becomes a chutney. We want that thread. Okay, so let's do it. Now let's look at our rava and coconut mixture. It's looking good. It's nice light golden brown and crispy. So at this point I'm going to switch off my flame, and I'm also going to add some dry fruits. This is kishmish, and I'm also going to add my almond powder. Now if you want, you can cut your badam into slit and put it. I like it in a powder because I don't like the badam coming into my mouth when I'm eating my ladoo. So I'm mixing it in a powder, and now let's just mix this entire mixture again with almond powder and kishmish so that it's nicely blended. Now let's look at our sugar syrup. We need to still boil this entire mixture, and let's boil it, and then we will see if we are getting that sticky thread. Alright, so I'm just mixing it for some more time, and after that we are going to check if we are going to get that sticky thread in between our two fingers. That's the goal, because once we get that sticky thread between our two fingers, that means our chutney is ready, the sugar syrup is ready. So till we get this, we have to do this on slow flame to medium flame, stirring in between. You see this sticky thread between my two fingers? This is the sign that our sugar syrup is ready, and now we can switch off the flame and let the sugar syrup cool down a bit, and then we will use it further. I have taken out our dry ingredients into a big bowl now. To this we are going to add our sugar syrup, which is ready, that is our sugar chutney, and we are going to add it entirely, and then we're also going to mix it a bit, and then we are going to add 2 more other ingredients. So let's do it. Now let's mix this mixture, and we are going to add our 2 other ingredients. We are going to add elaichi powder and nutmeg powder. Both of these you can put as per your taste. And now we are going to mix the entire mixture. We cannot mold it into our ladoos yet because the mixture is very hot, and so we are going to mix it and keep aside this entire mixture till it cools down, and then we are going to mold it into our ladoos. Okay, so let's do it. So this is how our mixture is looking after it's completely cooled down, and now it's ready to be molded into small round balls, and our ladoos are ready to serve and eat with our family and loved ones. So I'll be molding all these ladoos now. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so that you don't miss out on any of the recipes from my channel, and let me know in the comments if you like my recipes. Let me know if you have tried these recipes or any other recipes from my channel in your home kitchen, and also let me know which recipes you want me to make. Alright, so let me just mold all these ladoos and plate them up. Okay, until next time, it's bye from Deepali. Till then, take care.